Okay.
John Dickerson Haney crossing the Jonathan Dickerson River. 17-foot canal right here. Infested alligators, snakes, velociraptors, and just death. Ross is now falling into the canal.
Don't fall in. You want me to come back get your pack so you can just come across? Nah.
Ross's PR is being broken right now. Squat.
It's just difficult because you put the cord up on both sides.
Yeah, you're going to have to cross it over in the middle. Please tell me you've got that.
It was so slow motion I've ever seen. Alright, well guys, I guess I'm going the other way.
Those ropes didn't hold at all.